I just hate when this happens. I hate those small cheap tables, side tables. Those are really not stable and strong enough. I think I just have to make one by myself. Okay, next I will clean these a little bit with the router, maybe sanding a little bit. Then it's time to put all these pieces together, and I hope it will look like a table. So far so good. That's the main table part, and these holes are for the cups, mugs, glasses, whatever. This middle hole, that's for I will install this piece of wood here just to make this a little bit sturdier. Wooden plugs through this, so it's a little bit more stable. That's the bottom part of this thing. Some of you may wonder why I just don't hit these with the hammer, these blocks. My problem is that I don't have this luxury that I have my own workshop in a quiet area. Upstairs in this house there's living people, and especially on Saturday I just don't want to do that. That's why I have to find out some other methods to do that, and this one works quite good. And it's much more quiet than hammering these down. Okay, these two top plates I will put together some glue and these 8mm plugs. I think it would look cool if these plugs are all around. Okay, that's the food of the table, and it's made of 2 pieces of plywood, and also here just for the decoration, of course I will glue them together, but just for the decoration I will put some wooden plugs also here. I made 2 support pieces. It's coming about here, of course down and glued, and these support pieces are coming here, both sides. Okay, this thing is going to be crazy heavy, so maybe it's a good idea to put some wheels. I try to make a hole that it's going a little bit inside, as low as possible. ready for first layer of paint.